everyone, and welcome back to Little Dude Adventures. My name is Thomas, and today we will be making a Godzilla avatar. So let's get right into it. First off, let us search up Godzilla. Let's just search up Godzilla. Okay, ooh, this one looks good. You know what, before I do anything, I'm just gonna, switch. Let's switch to this guy, yay. Okay, Godzilla. Okay, let's think. Okay, I guess this looks pretty good. We're gonna buy it. Done. Then this guy. Okay, done. Clothing. Where are you, Godzilla? Thing, yeah. Oh, there you. Oh, wait. Where'd Godzilla? Where'd the thing go? Where'd the thing go? Where'd the... We're gonna... again. May have gone too fast. Godzilla. I don't see it. No. Oh my god. Ow. God. Is this it? No, that's not it. This is it. Let's see. Yes. It's got... How is it not there? Oh my god. I guess we're going to have to switch it up like this. You know what? Let's do that. Wear item after purchase. Buy item. Okay, done. So then there's this kaiju head. Giant kaiju head. Something like that. I mean, this pretty much looks like Godzilla. Oh yeah. 150. Here we go. Boom. Oh yeah. Okay, now we gotta go to, okay. No. Like maybe darker. No. Is it okay if I don't have? What if I were to? That. Go there. Clothing. Okay. So now That's too much. Nah. This will work. Okay. So, now characters. Godzilla. Okay, perfecto. So now let us play a game as Godzilla. Let us just play without me. Yeah. You didn't know? Might quit without me. So I'm just gonna switch back to my normal avatar. And we're gonna scare everybody. Yeah, scare. Ah, ooh, ah. Okay, let's see. Dress up. My Roblox avatar. Oh yeah. Okay, now we need to okay, here we go. Boom. I am Godzilla. Now let's go like ooh. No. Yes. Godzilla. Okay. Bye, bunny. Okay. Godzilla. Teleport to the gift display. Okay. Scare. Wow. I am Godzilla. Wait. Yeah, Godzilla. Okay guys, if you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.